The 5 best essential oils for menstrual cramps. If this video is helpful to you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. You're not imagining it, cramps absolutely suck. A whopping 85% of people have periods experience menstrual cramps. More shocking is how menstrual symptoms affect their day-to-day. Nearly 4 in 10 said they're forced to skip some daily tasks because of them. If you get all crampy in the days leading up to your period and throughout your flow, you might not always want to take medication to ease the pain. If you're looking for something more natural, you may be considering essential oils, which, in this case, are often used by bathing in water spiked with the oil, combining them with a carrier oil and then massaging the mix onto your skin or by inhaling their aroma via diffuser. But is it actually worth your time? The answer is yes. Essential oils may work for you, but they may not. Research in the Journal of Clinical Medicine from November 2018 that looked at 11 studies came to a similar conclusion: aromatherapy massage was superior to regular massage when it came to reducing pain from cramping. These 2 reviews relied on many of the same studies but came to similar conclusions. You can consider essential oils if you're looking for a natural remedy for menstrual cramps. Namely because, as Dr. Shirazian says, there's no major risk to using essential oils on your skin. Pain is a subjective experience, and you may find oils to be particularly soothing for your discomfort. Many people have a lot of pain during their cycles, and they think it's normal, Dr. Shirazian says. If that pain prevents you from doing daily activities or working, then you deserve to know what's going on and get the help you need. That said, if you're interested in trying essential oils for PMS or menstrual cramping, here are 5 to consider. 1. Lavender. The scent of lavender, used often as a sleep aid, is strongly associated with feelings of relaxation. In an interesting, though small, July-August 2021 study in holistic nursing practice, people who received massage with lavender oil following gynecologic surgery rated their pain lower 30 minutes post-massage compared to both placebo and control groups. Lavender may, indeed, trigger you to feel as if you're in a spa-like environment, rather than laying on your couch in pain from cramps, Dr. Shirazian says. This can create a relaxing and tranquil feeling that may decrease subjective feelings of pain, she explains. 2. Rose. It might be tough to stop and smell the roses when you have cramps, but it may be worth it. Rose oil contains several aromatic compounds, such as geraniol, nerol and camphorol, which have been shown in research to decrease menstrual pain better than a placebo. 3. Cinnamon or clove. It's time to get spicy, at least when it comes to your essential oils for PMS. April 2013 research in evidence-based complementary and alternative medicine on about 100 nursing students found that using an essential oil is great for cramps. You may not be able to find this exact blend in stores, but you can experiment with different essential oils in this mix to see if they're especially helpful for you. 5. Peppermint or ginger. Your period can be a drag, but peppermint can give you a bit of a lift. Research from 2013 in the Journal of American Science looked at groups of young nursing students. One received abdominal massage with peppermint oils, while another got the same treatment with ginger oil, and a control group had an almond oil massage. Those in the peppermint and ginger groups reported their pain reduced from moderate/severe to mild/none, as well as improved daily functioning. Yet it was the peppermint group that also benefited from a shorter duration of pain, as well as better mood, appetite and less diarrhea or constipation. If this video is helpful to you, please subscribe, like and share for more and to get notifications when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching.